people, welcome back to this blissful living model. This is Priscilla, and today we are going to do a delicacy. If you grew up in the 90s and you grew up in Africa, this is for you. Come, in fact, comment, okay? What was your favorite snack growing up in the 90s? If you grew up in Africa, but if you grew up anywhere else in the world, just let me know. I am on the way of making so many recipes, of just experimenting, of going back, of recreating. Please just share in the comment section. But I would really like to know, if you grew up in Africa in the 90s particularly, what was your favorite snack going to school, coming back from school, while playing on the road? What was your favorite snack? Just let me know in the comment section below. So today I'm going to do muhogo. Okay, I didn't know it was even pronounced or written muhogo. I didn't know that. Okay, today I'm going to do muwogo. If you're from Uganda, it's called muwogo, and Muhogo Ow'ebizaali. Just imagine that. So for people who don't know what I'm talking about this. Just see just see the colors. Okay, so I grew up this being a delicatessen, a honeys. If you know what I'm talking about, and even if you don't know, just stay tuned. Let's get to work. Okay.
Ndabyo bulungi bwo nsende abalamu singa gwe tobadde nange nandirasewa.
When you're here, welcome. This blissful living is all about cooking, family, parenting. We are new parents, and hello, we have lots and lots to learn. So we have decided we are going on a journey, but first with a full stomach. Okay. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for the support. Thank you if you're a fellow YouTuber. Come on, let's grow, let's do it, let's share our creativity. Do peel and wash your cassava. Make sure you don't forget salt. Many people do the salting after they have cooked or after they have fried, but believe me, if you do that before, it is yummy. The taste is indescribable. The same as your onions, cooked cassava with onions and salt. It is just something else. Just try it. So guys, after the cassava was cooked, I just went ahead and just experimented with the cassava flour and the turmeric. I know very many recipes of very many people just sprinkle a little bit of turmeric on the cassava before they fry it, but I'm just going to be extra this time around, and I'm going to dip my cassava into the turmeric.